Xiaomi will unveil the Mi CC9 on July 2 and the company has already confirmed some of its specs like the 48 megapixel rear camera and 32 megapixel front facing camera. Now thanks to TNA we got the full picture. A Xiaomi smartphone listed on TNA bearing the model number M1904F3BT, which is very likely to be the Mi CC9, confirms that the smartphone will powered by an octa-core processor clocked at 2.2 GHz and came in 3 memory versions: 4GB, 64GB, 6GB, 128GB, 8GB and 256GB. The CPU suggests we are looking at either Snapdragon 710 or Snapdragon 730 chipset, as they alone in the current Qualcomm lineup match the clock speed. The Mi CC9 will sport a 6.39-inch Full HD Plus OLED display having a fingerprint sensor embedded to it. The smartphone will run Android Pie and pack a 3940 mAh battery. It will also have triple camera setup at the back, which is something the company recently confirmed by sharing the phone's images. Another Xiaomi phone sporting model number M1906F9SC has been spotted on TNA. It's believed to be the Mi CC9e and has a 6.08-inch display and a 3940 mAh cell. The listing doesn't include the full specification yet, but it likely to be extended in the following days. Meanwhile, Xiaomi CEO Li Jun has confirmed that the Mi CC9 and CC9e will be joined by the third smartphone on next Tuesday, the Mi CC9 Meitu Custom Edition. It will be offered in 8GB and 256GB configuration and arrive in a special blue colored packaging. The custom edition will come with Meitu's special beauty filters and AI portrait mode for impressive low light photography.